We'll start off with our modern Tasmanian vodka, 30 mils. And then we have our 7K modern coffee liqueur. We use single origin Zimmer coffee, and this batch is the Ecuadorian single origin. And then we're gonna add just a touch of sugar syrup, about 15 milliliters. Then we have a good measure of espresso. I always like to go a little bit more than 30 mils, about 45 mils. And a nice little bit of orange peel. It's a little bit of a change up from your average espresso martini. It's also adding some of the world's hottest gin. So that orange, coffee, chocolate notes pairs quite well with the spice of this chili gin. Let's put a few little drops in there. Maybe a little bit more. I don't mind the spice. But do be careful. It isn't called the world's hottest for no reason. There we go. So that orange in there, getting all bashed up by the ice, will release some of its oils. So you got this nice, spicy, orange coffee espresso martini. Just a couple of coffee beans. Like so. That's my little spin, the espresso martini this year. Enjoy.